Have you ever noticed that the harder you work, the more your expenses seem to grow? Your salary increases, but somehow your bank account never does. Month after month, the paycheck arrives, the bills get paid, unexpected expenses show up, and before you know it, you're waiting for the next payday all over again. Years pass, yet financial freedom feels just as far away as it did when you first started working. The truth is, millions of people live this exact cycle every single day. And the biggest problem isn't that they don't earn enough. The biggest problem is that their income depends entirely on their time. The moment they stop working, the money stops too. But have you ever wondered why some people eventually escape this cycle? They may work just as hard in the beginning, but over time, they build skills and systems that continue creating income even when they're not actively working. That's where the difference between average earners and financially successful people begins. In today's world, hard work alone is no longer enough. The people who build wealth are the people who continue learning skills that increase their value and create opportunities beyond a paycheck. Now, I know what happens whenever someone says, learn a new skill. Most people immediately lose interest. They want a better future, but they don't want to change their daily habits. They dream about financial freedom, yet avoid taking the first step toward it. But here's the reality. The future doesn't belong only to hardworking people. It belongs to people who are willing to become more valuable. That's why today, I'm going to share 5 high-income skills that have the potential to completely change your financial future if you commit to learning even one of them. The first skill is content creation. Many people think content creation is only for famous YouTubers, influencers, or people who enjoy being in front of a camera. But that's not true anymore. Today, the internet rewards people who know how to capture attention and provide value. Whether you create YouTube videos, write blogs, produce podcasts, design educational content, or even build faceless channels, you're creating digital assets that can continue working long after you've published them. A few years ago, social media was mostly entertainment. Today, it's one of the biggest opportunities for building income online. The interesting part is that millions of people consume content every day, but only a small percentage actually create it. And on the internet, creators usually earn far more than consumers. No one starts perfect. Your first video won't be your best. Your editing won't be perfect. Your confidence may be low, but every piece of content teaches you something. Over time, your audience grows, trust grows, and that audience becomes one of the most valuable assets you can own. The second high-income skill is thumbnail design. This may be one of the most underrated skills on the internet today. Most people think it's simply editing pictures, but it's actually the psychology of attention. Before anyone watches a video, they see the thumbnail first. A great video with a weak thumbnail often gets ignored, while an average video with a powerful thumbnail can attract millions of views. That's why top creators and major brands invest heavily in skilled thumbnail designers. The good news is that you don't need a college degree to learn it. You simply need to understand colors, emotions, curiosity, composition, and human psychology. As your designs improve, your value increases. Today, many freelance designers earn excellent incomes creating thumbnails for YouTubers around the world, sometimes charging hundreds of dollars for just a few hours of work. The third skill is understanding investing. Most people work hard for money, but very few learn how to make money work for them. Investing isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building assets that grow over time. Whether it's index funds, stocks, ETFs, real estate, or even investing in your own business, the goal is to own things that increase in value while you focus on living your life. The earlier you understand investing, the more time compounding has to work in your favor. Wealth is rarely created through income alone. It's usually created through assets that continue growing year after year. The fourth skill is professional video editing. In today's digital world, attention is one of the most valuable currencies. Every business, Every creator and every brand wants people to watch their content for longer. That's where editing becomes incredibly valuable. Great editing isn't just about cutting clips together. It's about storytelling. It's about pacing, music, sound effects, captions, transitions, and visual emotion. Good editing can turn ordinary footage into something people can't stop watching. The best part is that you don't need an expensive studio to start. Many successful editors began with a simple laptop or even a smartphone. As your editing skills improve, companies and creators become willing to pay more because you help them grow their audience and revenue. The fifth, and perhaps most powerful skill, is communication and sales. Every business in the world depends on people. If you can clearly communicate your ideas, build trust, solve problems, and explain value, opportunities begin to appear everywhere. Two people may have exactly the same knowledge, but the one who communicates better almost always gets ahead. Communication makes every other skill more valuable. Whether you're selling a product, pitching an idea, building a business, creating content, or applying for a job, your ability to connect with people directly affects your income. Now here's the most important part of this entire video. You don't need to master all 5 skills. In fact, trying to learn everything at once usually leads to learning nothing. Choose just one skill. Commit to it for the next 12 months. Practice consistently. Improve a little every week, and allow time to do its job. That's how real transformation happens. Financial freedom doesn't happen overnight. First, you learn a valuable skill. Then that skill creates extra income. That extra income becomes savings. Those savings become investments. Those investments become assets. And eventually, you reach a point where your job becomes a choice instead of a necessity. The people who thrive in the future won't simply be the hardest workers. They'll be the people who never stop learning, never stop improving, and never stop adapting to a changing world. So ask yourself one question. 1 year from today, will you still be relying on the same paycheck, or will you have started building a skill that can change your life forever? If this video gave you a new perspective, leave a comment below and write, "I will learn a high-income skill." Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more videos about money, self-improvement, financial freedom, and building a better future. Because your future income is determined by the skills you choose to build today.